Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset Thinkorswim to default settings. If your platform feels cluttered, behaves unexpectedly, or you just want a clean slate, a reset can quickly return everything to the factory layout and preferences. In this walkthrough, we'll move carefully through the process so you know exactly what to expect and avoid surprises. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim application on your computer and give it a moment to load fully. Once the workspace is visible, shift your attention to the top right corner of the window. You're looking for the Setup menu, which appears near the edge of the platform's header. If your window is very narrow or minimized, expand it so the full header is visible. This makes the Setup option easier to find. With the platform open and the Setup menu in view, click on Setup. This opens a small drop-down with several application-level options. We're interested in the choice that restores everything back to the original configuration the platform shipped with. From that drop-down, select Reset to Default Settings. Before you proceed, it's helpful to understand what this action does. Resetting typically reverts most of your platform preferences, layouts, and interface customizations to the default state. It's designed to clear out changes that may be causing issues or to help you start fresh. Items saved to your account, such as certain lists or data that live on the server, may still be available afterward, but expect your overall layout and many personalized settings to return to the default arrangement. After selecting Reset to Default Settings, a confirmation prompt appears to make sure you intended to start the reset. Review the message so you're comfortable with the change, then click OK to confirm. The platform will apply the reset, and you may see Thinkorswim momentarily close and reopen as it completes the process. This is normal. When the platform returns, you should see the standard, out-of-the-box layout. Charts, gadgets, and panels will look familiar to anyone using the default view. From here, you can continue working with the clean setup. If you had unique layouts, color themes, or study configurations before, you can reapply those at your own pace. Many people find it helpful to rebuild only the pieces they truly use, which keeps the platform fast and organized going forward. That's it. You've successfully reset Thinkorswim to its default settings. Thanks for following along, and enjoy working with your freshly restored workspace.